Hello, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about the role of an expat attorney in Brazil and why foreign nationals living, working or investing in Brazil often require specialized legal support to navigate the country's legal system. Brazil is a dynamic country with a unique legal environment. Whether you are relocating for work, launching a business, buying property or handling family matters, understanding Brazilian law is essential. But for foreigners, it can be complex and sometimes confusing. That's where an expat attorney comes in. An expat attorney is a Brazilian licensed lawyer who works primarily with foreign clients. These professionals are familiar with both Brazilian laws and the legal expectations and standards of international clients. They bridge the gap between different legal systems and help expatriates comply with local regulations while protecting their interests. Let's begin with one of the most common areas of the legal assistance, immigration. If you are moving to Brazil for employment, investment, family reunification, retirement, or religious or volunteer work, you need to apply for a visa or residence permit. The legal requirements vary depending on the type of visa. An expat attorney can help you determine the best option based on your goals and prepare the necessary documents to avoid delays or rejections. Now let's talk about real estate. Many expatriates in Brazil want to rent or buy a property, but the process involves more than just signing a contract. It requires due diligence to verify property titles, checks for tax or legal debits, ensure proper registration, and draft secure agreements. A mistake in the property transaction process can cost time and money. That's why legal review by an experienced attorney is not optional, it's essential. For entrepreneurs and investors, Brazil offers opportunities but also challenges. If you want to start a company, you need to register your business with Brazilian authorities, obtain a tax ID, and comply with labor, tax, and regulatory obligations. An expat attorney will walk you through the business formation process, help you understand your legal obligations, and draft corporate documents that protect your liability and interests. Family law is another area where foreign nationals often need legal help. Whether it's getting married, drafting a prenuptial agreement, handling divorce procedures, resolving child custody disputes, or legalizing a child's birth in Brazil, an attorney who understands both international and Brazilian family law is critical here. There is also the matter of taxes. Brazil has complex tax laws that apply to both residents and non-residents. If you have income, assets, or a business in Brazil, you may need legal assistance to remain tax compliant. An expat attorney can help you understand how Brazilian taxes apply to your situation, and whether you need to file a tax return locally, and how to avoid double taxation if you are also taxed in your home country. Now, many people wonder what makes an attorney an expat attorney. The term doesn't mean the lawyer is a foreigner. Instead, it means the lawyer specializes in helping expatriates. They are usually fluent in English or other language, experienced in dealing with consulates, embassies, and cross-border legal matters, and know how to explain Brazilian legal concepts clearly and professionally. A good expat attorney will do more than just provide legal advice. They will act as your trusted advisor on compliance, help you avoid legal risks, and advocate for you in court or administrative procedures if needed. They can draft contracts, represent you in disputes, assist in negotiations, and protect your rights every step of the way. Another important topic is document legalization and translation. If you need to use foreign documents in Brazil, such as birth certificates, diplomas, criminal background checks, or power of attorney, documents they must be apostille or legalized and translated into Portuguese by a sworn translator. An expat attorney can coordinate this process for you and ensure everything is accepted by Brazilian authorities. If you apply for permanent residence or citizenship in Brazil, The legal steps must be followed carefully. These include meeting residence requirements, proving your ties to the country, submitting background documents, and interacting with the Ministry of Justice or Immigration Police. Mistakes or delays in this process can lead to rejections. An attorney ensures everything is done correctly and on time. Also, for those involved in international business or litigation, an expat attorney can help with contract enforcement, dispute resolution, and regulatory compliance. They can represent you in Brazilian court or arbitration panels and also coordinate with lawyers in your home country when needed. If you need help, please contact us. Subscribe to our channel, give a thumbs up if you like this video, and share with someone you think needs. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.